So we're starting off today by going up to Thomas Farrell's garage, snagging the part I need for the BMW. I gave Nisco my M50 a long time ago, and I need the cam sensor off it. And Nisco's not doing anything with the engine, so Nisco, I'm stealing the cam sensor off of it. And then we're gonna throw it on E36, and then we can finally have Vanos and finish up the tune, which is sick. So I got like an hour drive. Tommy Shop's kind of far away, but we're gonna go visit him. Hopefully I can get to drive the Evo 1, and yeah. So let's just continue the drive. All right, well, oh boy. On my way up to Tommy's, I'm about a third of the way there, and I think I just blew up the Saturn. I can't believe this just happened. I'm pretty disappointed. I can't believe this just happened. I didn't think this car would ever blow up. So last night we were driving along, me and Brian, and it got a little ticky. Didn't think anything of it. There's a lot of noises that come from this car. And then I started to go up a hill a mile back, and it felt sluggish, and I was just like, you know what? It's just a Saturn. It's just slow. Coming down the hill, I feel a really gross crunch, and the car stalled, and now I'm on the side of the road. I don't know. I'm just so upset. Oh my god. I'm more upset of how inconvenient this is than actually the car blowing up. Well, let's pop the hood and see what happened. Oh yeah, there's oil all over the front. Definitely through a rod. That is absolutely insane. Well, that is devastating. Oh my god. As you guys can probably tell, I don't even know what to say. I'm like completely surprised and utterly devastated. This Saturn just blew up. This sucks. So instead of getting this thing towed and paying like 80 bucks to tow it, I called my brother. He's gonna come pick me up, and he's gonna drop me off. I'm gonna go get the truck, go all the way down to the shop, get the trailer, come pick the Saturn up. And because it still runs. I just started the damn thing. It's running. It's misfiring, but it's somehow running. I can't believe this just happened. Change your oil, guys. Change your damn oil because your car needs it. Oh my god. I know I completely did this to myself, and I knew that this was gonna happen one day, but I'm still surprised. My brother has come to the rescue, and yes, he is in burgundy Saturn, just like this one. We'll talk about that later. It finally blew up.
Well, it's been a long time coming. True. I'm here to save you.
Perfect. Time to go rescue the Saturn, the poor old Saturn. I don't know, maybe this is like, I feel like this is like a sign, like I need to move on. It's time to upgrade. And I know a lot of you guys are saying like, yes, now get the GTI done as quick as possible. And I'm trying to, just waiting for parts. They're expensive and stuff is happening. Trust, as soon as the parts come in, ooh, we're getting that thing together quick. All right, I need to quickly drive this thing on the trailer before it dies. Please start, please start. Oh, it's running. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Do it, come on. Get up there, get up there. Oh, come on, do it, make it, please make it. Oh, thank God, it's on the trailer. Woo! Okay, the reason why I'm bugging is because I don't have a winch. And if that didn't go on under its own power, there's no way I'm pushing it on. So, hell yeah, it's on the I am so happy it made it on the trailer. Holy shit. Let's strap this pig up and go visit Tommy. Dude, I can't believe this is happening. Only about 3.5 hours late, I've officially made it to Tommy's shop. Well, Tommy isn't here, but luckily I was here because they dropped off parts for him and they needed a signature, so got you, Tommy. But looks like a throw-up bearing and a pilot bearing. Tommy, for a BMW. What's this for the, is this for the Miata? I don't know. Oh, it's face tat.
Thanks for work, sir.
You got the throttle bearing in.
Is that for the Miata?
Yeah.
Bet.
What's up, dude?
Run it. This is like the first time I've ever seen you in here.
Dude, I'm here every day, man. What do you mean? Dom quit. I'm a new man.
All right, guys, so here we go. Here's a non-Vanos M50. This is the cam sensor I need to steal from it. Now, there's two sensors to tell the engine where it is. So you have a crank sensor and a cam sensor. Crank sensor will tell you where the crank is, obviously, but it won't tell you what stroke it's on. So that's what the cam sensor does. It tells you what stroke it's on, so then you can initiate the Vanos, and that's what I need. So the M52 one is like a Hall-style sensor, where the M50 is like a VR-style sensor, and the Mega Squirt likes a VR-style sensor, so that's why we're taking it. Just that stupid thing. Alright, this should just... There we go. There you go. Wire this in, I should have Vanos. Alright, Chris, so this is your specialty, rod knock.
So you were coming to our shop and you got rod knocked.
Yeah.
Did it have oil in it?
Okay, so it's, I don't know, because I haven't done the oil change in 11,000 miles, so probably not. But last night, it started ticking, and I didn't think anything of it, because it makes a lot of noise, but I was going up a big hill on the way here, and it fucking blew up. Alright, so there's a bunch of oil right here. That means it still runs.
Stinks.
Ew.
Let's see. Can you see it from underneath?
Can we blow it
I
up?
want
Really,
to.
this car's plastic.
I don't. I was hoping to see an actual fucking run. It kind of runs.
Why don't you do a demo derby with it?
I mean, I don't even know if.
Why don't you just junk this thing?
No, demo derby.
Brian thinks I should just throw another engine in it.
That's
Giveaway? Japanese giveaway?
There you go.
So Tommy ends up doing a new clutch on his Miata, and I think I motivated Chris to work on his SR Miata. Or is that wrong calling that a Miata? MX-5 SR Roadster. So. You feeling motivated?
Kind
what
of.
I'm here for.
You made me feel like an asshole, so now I have something to prove. So
Is that why you're doing it? I thought I motivated you. But I guess he's motivated by hatred. Okay. I got learning to stop being so lazy, and we're getting oil drained on the turbo, and it's like the last thing this car needs is a goddamn oil drain, and it honestly should run once you put a base map on it, but Rudnick's being Rudnick, so we just gotta get this to the oil pan, we should be all set. Can I just take this home?
No, you can't. Okay, so you want to hear my excuse?
What's for what? Everything?
Why it's still here?
For grip in the rear?
Yes, and because like obviously the Roadster's been down for a while, and the LS2 like literally just got done. So I didn't want to start like diving into this and then
excuse. Yeah. So this is a really nice RB25.
Yeah, Neo.
Yeah. Let me get it.
No.
I just drove Rudnick's LS1 car, or not even LS car, LS car. It was badass. I wish I filmed it. If you guys want to check it out, check out Rudnick's channel. You guys know what it is, Rice or Miata, of course. You good?
Yeah, I have serious heartburn.
But I wish I filmed it. This thing is badass. This makes me really want to throw a cam in my Z so bad, because what's that? That's just. Is it a 6.2 or a 6.0?
6.2.
With a cam, and that's it.
Yep.
Did you valve springs and retainers?
Yep.
Okay, which kind of goes hand in hand with the cam. So.
Yeah, exactly.
Fuck, that was so fast.
Dude, it's sick.
All right, cam's going in the red Z.
You have to drive it when it's actually not wet out, so it can grip. Like second gear, it is a thumper. I call it little thumper.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's big. It's aggressive.
Damn, but okay, so I was trying to motivate Chris. Chris says I was just like being mean to him.
No, I didn't say that. I just said.
I call him a pussy hoe.
Exactly, and that made me want to work. Okay. So here we are working.
So we got the oil drain on for his little turbo right here.
Little turbo, it's kind of big.
It's the same turbo I have. It's a nice turbo.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put oil in it, and we're gonna make this thing crank for the first time.
I hope so.
It's gonna crank.
Maybe.
Do you have a starter in it?
Yes. Dude, everything but a drive shaft.
All right, Tommy's making me go in this damn little thing.
Some shit up while you're gone.
Dad, punch in his neck.
Ugh.
This thing hasn't been driven in a while.
So this is it K24 or K20?
K24.
All right, just don't kill me. No, you're a good driver. I trust you.
Dude, your life isn't that great.
Yeah, you're right. Send it. Jesus.
What do you think?
This thing fucking rips.
Feels pretty good, right?
It feels fast as hell. Faster than I thought it was gonna be.
Cool.
So So this is a K24 out of a Honda, obviously, and it makes a little bit less power than RJ's Miata, but it makes it like all the time, so it's ridiculous. Like RJ's car hits really hard up top, but damn, I want to drive this thing at Lime Rock so bad. Man, I need a thumper in my girl.
Dude, it sounds sick.
I remember my first time driving standard.
Oh God.
You alright, man?
It doesn't want to idle.
We managed to get Running's car to crank, which is, I guess, a step in the right direction. We need to get power to the ECU. We got to throw a base map in it. We have to set up a fuel pump relay, and we should be good to go. Or Running should be good to go.
This guy.
The internet's a hell of a thing.
Yeah.
YouTube, man.
Yeah, YouTube it.
I mean, I am a YouTuber, so I guess I can do that. We didn't give it rod knock today, so that's a plus.
Yeah, the Saturn though.
Well,
Rest in peace.
it's because I wore the shirt. Like every time I wear this shirt, something goes wrong in the area, you know. But usually it's me. No offense, but I'm kind of thankful it was you for once, you know.
Today I got the rod knock luck, and it's okay.
Well, I guess that's a wrap. Let's go get wasted, huh?
I gotta bring the Saturn back to the shop, and goddamn, do I have a long drive. So I got what I came for. We got the cam sensor right here, so I can hook it up into the Vanos. So this is what I cut off is a pigtail and a TPS. Now I needed a TPS for RJ's Miata. So the crazy thing is, so Miatas actually don't have TPS sensors, throttle positioning sensors. What they do is they have throttle positioning switches. So it basically just says if throttle's open or not. And Megasquirt doesn't like that. You are able to tune all like the throttle enrichment stuff, which kind of corrects all your throttle response. And so RJ's car kind of has trash throttle response in the lower RPMs. So what we could do is we could take the BMW TPS, which is like the most universal TPS. We could rig it up to his throttle body. People actually make kits for the Miata, and then wire that into the Megasquirt, and then do all the throttle enrichment stuff and everything else that we can do with the TPS. And we can make his throttle response way better, make the car way more enjoyable to drive. Because right now it just kind of hesitates at low RPMs when you try and give it gas suddenly. So this should correct it, and it should make the car feel a lot better. So I can't believe I blew the Saturn up today. So I didn't film too much here today. Kind of helping them with their cars today. Had a good time. I was stoked to get Running's car to actually crank today. I want to see that thing finish so bad because it's a sick car, but got a long drive ahead of me. I got to bring the Saturn back and then go from there. I still can't believe that damn thing blew up. I actually just remembered, best news possible. I just got the go ahead on all the parts for the GTI. So tomorrow I actually get to go and pick up all the parts to put the GTI back together, which like couldn't be better timing, like at all. I mean, I guess it would be better if it was like a couple days ago, but this is awesome. Best text ever. So tomorrow we're gonna grab the parts for the GTI, start going ham on that, and hopefully have a new daily by the end of next week. That would be the goal. So it's really, really late. I feel like I haven't filmed anything today. Make myself feel accomplished. I'm gonna install this cam sensor. Easiest thing in the world. I mean, it looks just like the old one. So only thing is, it's just a pain in the ass to get to. It's behind the VVTi actuator. Since Germans love to make everything easy for everyone in the automotive industry, one little bolt holds the cam sensor on right here and just like slides out. But the ass end of the Vanos solenoid actually gets right in the way of it by just a millimeter. So I guess according to the internet, you could just remove this bad boy right here with like a 34 millimeter. I don't know, I got an adjustable wrench, next best thing, and it should just, hey, it does. Thing just unscrews. Haha, not bad at all. And then of course to remove the sensor itself, because I mean look, it's pretty damn deep, we have to remove the oil line for it, which is, I guess not the end of the world, but it sucks because these crush washers are basically on their way out. Get this. Put it right there. There she is. I mean look, this one was destroyed anyways. Alright, new sensors basically in there, besides the fact that I dropped both of my crush washers in the engine bay and they didn't hit the ground. So that's gonna go in tomorrow when I buy new crush washers. Whatever. That was like my big goal for today, was to get that sensor in. It's not wired in, but it's there. I guess the Saturn didn't die in vain. I was able to go get that cam sensor. but of course, guys, rest in peace to the Saturn. We're not going. B was talking about Brian was talking about throwing a new engine back in it because the engines are like literally $400 for like a mint one, but it's not worth it. getting the parts for the GTI tomorrow, and then we go ham. So that's about it. So you guys have heard me ramble on plenty today, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with actually a pretty big surprise, so stay tuned.